Are your office windows looking dull or streaky? At System4 San Francisco East Bay, we specialize in expert commercial window cleaning services that keep your business looking sharp and professional. Our team provides professional window washing services tailored to your building's unique needs. Whether it's a storefront, office tower, or medical facility, we deliver spotless results every time. Clean windows don't just look great, they boost your curb appeal and enhance natural light. Our commercial window washing services in Walnut Creek help create a welcoming environment for your customers and employees. We use environmentally safe products and top-of-the-line equipment to protect your glass and your business image. System4 San Francisco East Bay is committed to delivering expert commercial window cleaning services with a touch of professionalism you can count on. Customer service matters to us just as much as clean windows. That's why we work around your schedule with flexible cleaning plans and reliable staff you can trust. From retail shops to corporate buildings, no job is too big or small. Our trained professionals are ready to deliver commercial window washing services that meet the highest standards. System4 San Francisco East Bay. Expert commercial and janitorial services you can depend on. Let's make your windows shine. Call us today at 925-592-6001 to schedule your free estimate. Let us show you why we're Walnut Creek's go-to for professional window washing services. Clean windows are just one call away. Visit us at https:/system4norcal.com, Walnut Creek Commercial Window Cleaning, to learn more about us and our services.